Good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Today we are here at Friendly Mountain and we are really enjoying. We are really amazed with the views around us. Look at the clouds. This is a valley, but we are here standing at the top of a hill near the Friendly Mountain. We are surrounded by mountains. There at the farthest east, you can see. Let us view it closer. There are mountain ranges over there. This part of Tukuran, the municipality of Tukuran, or is really part of the municipality of Aurora. It's within Zamboanga del Sur. See, we have the mountain ranges. We have bridges now going up to the highest mountain of Tukuran, of the municipality of Tukuran. It is located here in the barangay Manilan. Right now, I am here enjoying the beautiful. Look at. Let us have a view of the west portion. Beautiful. Thank you, Lord. It's amazingly beautiful. Thank you for bringing me here, Lord. Lord, whatever my plans, our plans, together with my team, my gardeners, people who are helping me, assisting me to cultivate this garden, this farm. We fondly call it as Friendly Mountain. Thank you, Lord God. Thank you, Lord, for giving me this opportunity to be here to enjoy your creations. Thank you, Lord God. God bless everyone.